Hi guys, today we will be working with Python using Snowflake. So let's start. It's a great feature, platform where we on the single platform we will work on structured data, semi-structured data, and also we can work on Python as well as. Here is a basic commands, basic Python script in which we have this series and convert this data into data frame. Then this data frame showing in the format in the table is a simple Snowpark as a library we will use, and this is a panda for using data frame. This is a declared area where we declare session, Snowpark session. This is syntax part. Here is the data, and we will this series data convert into create data panda data frame. Then we will initialize the Python object data frame to data using this, and then return to this. When we hit on the run button, it will working and load data into the screen actually showing that. You can see here is a Python query or Python script running. We can connect to any other database like Oracle or other database of SQL. We can connect using Python and extract data from that database and store into data frame. Then store this data frame data into Snowflake or any other database as well as. Here you can see our Python basic Python code run and generate a return or as a report. Thank you for watching.